All right, guys, welcome back to Weekend Smile. Across the globe, spas are becoming less than traditional in the beauty treatments they offer. Mercy. What length would you go to maintain the skin you're in? Would you try, for example, a bear bath?
Yeah, I would
I'll
try
try
that.
a bear bath. I'm not
Yeah.
gonna lie. Want to some tingly things.
So apparently, this is popular in some German spas, and it's like a jacuzzi treatment, as you've seen on the screen right now, designed to soothe the skin. It's very bubbly and warm. This looks nice. I would try this, right? Like, yeah, I think I would try this. But I mean, do you even have an unconventional beauty
I would
routine?
try it, but I'll get high off my own supply, and I'll be drinking the beer as well. So I'd immerse myself inside a bath, and I'd be like, gulp, gulp.
So,
Okay, good.
I mean, it says that it cleanses the skin and release toxins from the body.
Okay.
Yeah.
But I'm concerned though, because you know, with some beer, it will burn.
Yeah.
And so you make sure I said you don't go inside there. Come on. So listen. Anyways.
Don't be saying it might burn.
It must burn. Like it's a beer. You know, it's harsh.
Like a burning.
So, you know, if it can burn the back of your throat, some beer. Right? I'm just saying.
So I'm not really a beer person.
Yeah.
Like that, you know. I mean, I'll have some of the flavored ones every now and then, but
No man, the real
I'm
beer
not a
them
beer
going burn the back of
person.
your
I think
throat.
the best beer I've ever tried was probably in. All right, let me not even say that, but you know,
yeah.
I'm not really all right. So what we have, all right. So,
In Israel, there is a snake. No, this one. The one
Me
here,
not
mega
try
stay stress. Mega stay stress out, because this
No.
will stress me out worse.
no.
A snake massage, guys, right? So there's a spa in Israel where slithering snakes are used to create a therapeutic massage. Apparently, the snakes don't have venom. Those who've dared to try the treatment claim to the movement of the larger snake produce calming, kneading sensation, and smaller garden varieties provide gentle caresses. This is this touch I can do without, because I don't want any snake to get excited and to start wrapping me around and trying their strength at my body.
Just the thought of this is just making my skin
Crawl,
just
don't it?
crawl and just ugh.
Yeah,
Like
no.
I would not try
Not
this
for
one.
me.
Like no.
Nope,
What's probably
not doing it.
no, me not do that. Like
I don't even like. I
me
don't
not
like
like
things crawling
lizard.
on me.
Me never like
Talia,
lizard. Oh, me
Jesus,
feel
oh
like
my God,
snake.
girl,
No.
I would pass out. I don't have to ask Christ nor in 12 disciples. I am leaving this earth. I'm at the pearl gates knocking. I'm coming home, Jesus.
Look
Take
here.
me now.
Me don't even like. First of all, when we talk about tree lizard, if you want to talk about tree lizard versus croaking lizard, them always say tree lizard not as bad as croaking lizard is. And I don't even like tree lizard
feel
much
like
more
God
croaking lizard for make skin. Anyways.
God put lizard on this earth, humble me.
Yeah. Okay, so what is probably the most extreme thing you've ever done to look your best?
Still waxing. I'm sorry, I'm not a fan. It's extreme and I cry. The last time I waxed, I cried the living eye water, and I had my person hold my hand, and I was still bawling.
You know, when I do that, I always go.
Get out of shape, please. I don't want to
When I go, I always say to her, you know, I don't know when I come back here. Like I said, and she always laughs at me. You know, Maureen is always like, Talia, just do what I need to do. So, all right, our next weird one, the fish pedicure. Okay, so I've seen this one. I'm trying to remember. Like, I've seen it in person.
Yeah.
And what you do, like when you go to the malls
this.
and stuff, you know, you stick your foot in a little tub of water that have the little baby fishes running around, and they just nibble at your feet. And they said that the fish tend to nibble at dead skin.
It does. I've done it. It's
ticklish.
I don't say it's ticklish.
It's ticklish.
But it's pretty cool, no lie.
All right,
Yeah.
it's not that bad.
Yeah.
Well,
And
I guess that's extreme, baby.
Yeah, I did it in an Asian country, which you know this is kind of, yeah, so it was
And they
pretty
do
cool.
it a lot in like Mexico and that kind of
Yes,
place too. So, all
yes.
right, next one, Debbie.
Oh, you see that one here now?
Bird dropping fish on. I don't know how I feel about this.
Take me, God! No, this cannot be right! Okay, so while offered in spas in the United States, facials made from bird poop. Why? Originated in Japan centuries ago, they couldn't keep it over there. Geisha actors would use nightingale droppings to remove their thick white makeup.
Funny enough, I think I would try this, you know.
Water.
I would try this. You know, I would try this Because as Jamaican people always say, when bird poop on you, it means good luck and you're going to get money.
But you intentionally rub it for your skin
Yeah,
out, Talia.
man.
No,
Drop
Tal.
it on me. Let me give you
No,
the...
Talia, avocado, mashed avocado give you the same feeling. No, bird poop.
No, them don't tell you said that give you no money
Talia
and
White.
no good
Oh,
luck.
think this is Talia White. This explains a lot.
No, I'm not. I'm just saying.
Talia, you...
Look here. When bird poop and all you carry, you know, them always say you're going to get
Talia.
money. It means good luck. It means some form of
But
good
you
omen.
intentionally attack this bird poop and I wipe it across your face. No, Talia, man.
Good omen. That's all I'm saying.
No,
I
God.
think I would try that.
Consecrated olive oil is a good omen. Nope, not happening.
All right, let me not argue about this one. All right,
Please.
next one. In Russia, they have platza treatment.
What is a platza?
It's from a tree.
Okay.
So it's some in some popular Russian spas. It's a treatment there, and it involves being beaten in a steam-filled room by an olive oil-drenched oak leaf broom called venik.
Like
right?
gentle beating or like hard beating?
That look, me don't know. That look like it.
That
would
look
be
gentlish.
Yeah, so the oak leaves contain a natural astringent that opens pores, removes toxins, and exfoliates dead skin. And to finish the treatment and seal in the benefits of the oak leaves, a bucket of ice-cold water is poured over you. Yeah? Yeah, Debbie, would you try it?
I think I would try this. I'd try this. This is nice.
If me, I'm going to try the bird one. Me most can try this
You
too.
can't try anything after you try the bird one, Talia. There's
I just
nothing.
not try the
You
snake
could
one.
try this cactus massage one
Yeah,
and
man, I
tequila
want
body
try
scrub.
this too.
The
I want
cactus
try
one, I
this
don't know
one.
about the prickly cactus, right? In Mexico, there's a spa that fuses the prickly cactus with tequila.
That sounds fun.
Mr. Talia is a different person. Huh?
It sounds
But
fun.
for the ultimate body scrub experience, right? So the
Yeah.
body massage involves getting massage with actual cactus. It's like maca. Then being scrubbed down with tequila, a mix of tequila, salt, and fresh lime juice. The cactus is thought to be healing and detoxifying, while the sea salts impart minerals, lime acts as a natural astringent and conditioner, and tequila purifies as well.
I would try this
If
one.
you guarantee me that I won't be scraped and cut, then fine.
I think it would probably work like, you know, those exfoliating scrubs?
Maybe.
Maybe it does
Maybe it work like that. Yeah. So maybe it's
I'll
not so
try that.
sharp.
Yeah.
Maybe.
I will have one more weird one.
This one, though.
Face slapping in Thailand. So there's a Thai spa in San Francisco in which repeated slaps in the face is said to be all you need to get rid of wrinkles and, you know, boost saggy skin. Tata and Mawin opened Face Slapping International in October of 2012, and they charge $350 for 15 minutes of slaps to one side of your face, right? Or $1,000 for 4 separate treatments, right? So the slaps supposedly tighten cheeks, raise eyebrows, and decrease facial wrinkles. And yeah, the treatment promises to change the look and shape of your face by sculpting and tightening facial fat and muscles. Me not think me would try this one.
I could
Me know
open a
nobody have
salon
beat
in
me up.
Jamaica offering that.
Yo, I don't know, but guess what, guys? You guys should send us, like, message us and tell us which one would you try? You know, which one of these weird
I do the bear.
spa ones you try? If you try more than one like myself, you can message us and, you know, send us those messages. Tell us which one you try. But in the meantime, more on Weekend Smile after the break. We'll soon come back.
Yeah, the bird one still have me